We've been talking about molarity as a unit of concentration, and then the idea that molarity is moles of solute over volume in liters of the solution. Now I want us to take a look at a first example, and this is as simple as an example can really be, minus the hand-wavy stuff I put in there for fun. Making Kool-Aid. 1 cup table sugar, 2 quarts, mix with enough water to make 2 quarts, and that wording is actually kind of important. And then the flavor packet, I'm just going to pretend is negligible in this example in terms of volume occupied. So first up, this right here, I'm going to have to just declare flat out is going to be 200 grams of sucrose. All right, 1 cup of table sugar, the internet has informed me, is approximately 200 grams of sucrose. Sucrose is C12H22O11, and it has a molar mass of 342.3 grams per mole. All right, and so there is some rather important information there. 2 quarts is going to be important for us as well. We need to know a volume of solution in liters, and I already looked that conversion up. It's 1.893 liters. 1.893 liters. One of the big critical strategies I tell my students is, like, you get to a problem, you don't know what to do. After you get done panicking, write the equation and use it as a checklist. All right? So we want to know a molarity. In fact, I guess I never indicated that. Find the concentration of the sucrose. All right, so I want to know a molarity. Molarity is calculated as moles over volume in liters. That's moles of the solute. I've written the equation. Let's use it as a checklist. Do I know the molarity? No, that's what I want to know. Do I know the moles of the solute? No, but I have a mass and a molar mass, which can get me moles, so I'll just put a little check mark. I don't know if this can be seen on the camera or not, a little bit. Do we have a volume in liters? We do, actually, 1.893 liters. So even if we didn't know we were looking for molarity, based on what we have, we would know we were solving for molarity. In order to do this, we need to know moles of our solute. That's a typical type of calculation we've done in the past. Our moles is going to be your mass over the molar mass. Our mass in this case is 200 grams, and the molar mass was 342.3 grams per mole, and that gives us 0.583 moles of sucrose. Our C12H22O11, our table sugar. All right. So now I'm going to put that number in right there, 0.583. And I'm going to take that number right there, that 1.893. We have moles per liter, and you punch that into your calculator, and you find out that is 0.31 molar sucrose. All right. So this is 0.31 molar sucrose. And again, that's basically as simple as we can make a problem, which is, here's some mass of something, here's the total volume, just calculate molarity right up. And that's our first example.